Hello, Epic Gamer Internet people. Today, playing more Restaurant Tycoon. Yeah, insert text that says everyone is tired of this series. Don't worry. I'll be posting TDS soon. Jeez. I just thought I might as well make a Tycoon video while my friends are not online because they don't like this game. I mean, Ben likes this game, but that's it. Day 9. Alright, I'm still recording. So yeah, I'm just gonna make some things and stuff. Oh yeah, make some chicken wings. Chicken! I almost made a video titled, just chicken wings in all caps. That was funny. So, how you guys doing? It's Spooktober. I need to play some spoopy Roblox games. It's I need to play spoopy Roblox games. I didn't even think about that. Look, the classic cheeseburger. Used to be the only thing I served. Look, let's chop up some burgers. Tomatoes. What do you mean my food is burning? I Ben plays. So, yeah, Ben Plays is here. I guess that's cool. Oh, yeah, we're cooking some hot dogs, man. Them dogs are hot. They're like in a volcano. They're fighting the molten boss. Look how quick I can add ketchup. Look at the guy's hand. Look how quickly I'm adding the ketchup. I got XP. So look, I'm going to rehire Jerry. Jerry, get back over here. Okay, so Jerry, you do that, cause I'm gonna go hang out at Big Sips. At what's it called? Oh, Ben Plays. This is Ben Plays. Place. He's got a trumpet. That's a cool trumpet. Which I could cook for you. Wait, can I cook? No. It lagged my game. It lagged my game. Why is this fridge red? Why did he paint one of the fridges red? Okay, that's weird. Oh, wait, I can cook his stuff? I can cook his stuff. Oh. Swedish meatballs? Wait, what do I do? Oh, there we go. You know, okay, so I guess I'm helping at Ben Plays' restaurant, cause I'm cooking at his restaurant. I wonder if do I get XP for this? I better get XP for this. Oh, it's just a classic cheeseburger. I do get, yeah. Okay, well that's cool and all, but I'm gonna go back to my restaurant. You know, this is my video, and so look, Jerry, I know you're good at this and all, but I kinda need you to leave. It's my job now. Look, there's money all over the tables. I got toys. Look, I need to check my menu, not menu. Expanded plot. Let's buy that. We got 600. That's good. I like that. I need $600 to get the expanded plot. The only reason I'm going to do the expanded plot is because I want the drive-through. I don't actually care about a bigger plot because my restaurant's big enough as it is. Oh, wait a minute. I need to do a thing. Look, before you guys get food, I need to add a tip jar. I'm going to go in the corner there. And then I need to get the tip jar, because I have the tip jar. Close build mode, here we go. Oh, wait, new dish, yay. Mac and cheese, let's go, boys. I love me some mac and cheese, though. I love me some mac and cheese. Money, 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 money. Sorry for taking so long. You know, I was trying to upgrade my restaurant. You know, trying to get more money so I can make the restaurant bigger. Don't worry, guys. I'm cooking these hot dogs faster than anyone's ever before. Quickest anyone's ever added ketchup to a hot dog. I think your service rating goes down if you take so super long, so I gotta go quick. Gotta go fast. I mean, again, you guys probably know more about this game than me. Look, let's actually go check my rating. I think I'm doing pretty good. Oh, I only got 2 stars. I'm sad. How you guys doing in here? I'm gonna go back in my kid. Ooh, donuts. I think I'm gonna get money soon. Add icing. How do I do that? I just made donuts, so in here someone's about to give me money. You're eating donuts with a fork and knife. Bruh. This man is eating donuts with a fork and knife. This guy's really weird. Come on, give me the monies. You guys didn't order a starter, so I won't get 30 bucks, but I'll get 22. Oh, I got more things to cook. More donuts, you say? Okay, I'm out for it. Look, I just cooked donuts for someone, so now if I look in here, someone's gonna give me money. Give me money now. Thank you. I got the money. Oh, we got orders. Oh, well, looks like I'm out of time. As always, bye, have a great time.